Subscribe to Rajshri Food and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Shravan is a very important month in Indian culture and a lot of people observe fast during this time. So today I'm going to be showing you one such recipe which is a wholesome meal and can be eaten during Shravan. Hello and welcome to Rajshri Food. I'm your host Ruchi and let's get started with the recipe for Sukha Aloo Sabzi and Rajgira Puri. Let's start with heating some oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, let's add in a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Once the cumin seeds start spluttering, let's add in a few curry leaves, 7 green chilies chopped. Next, I'm going to add in 5 boiled and diced potatoes. Let the potatoes cook for 2 minutes. Next, I'm going to add in 3/4 cup of coarsely ground roasted peanuts. Next, let's add in all the seasoning ingredients. Sendha namak or rock salt. Sugar to taste. I like a little more, so I'm going to add in around 3 teaspoons, but 2 is fine as well. Let's squeeze in half a lime. Around 2 tablespoons of water. And the last ingredient, coriander leaves. This is done. Let's turn off the flame. Let's start making the dough for the Rajgira Puris. So I have 2 cups of Rajgira flour here. Into this, I'm going to add in half a teaspoon of rock salt, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander leaves. Let's start making the dough. Mix all these ingredients properly. Let's add in some water. This dough needs to be harder than the roti dough that you make. Once everything is nicely combined, I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of oil. This dough is ready now, and let's keep it to rest for not more than 5 minutes. Five minutes are up and let's start rolling them. Apply a little bit of dry flour onto your palms and take a small portion of the dough. Make a ball. You could even use oil instead. So some Rajgira flour on the board as well as on the rolling pin. Take one of the balls. With light pressure, roll it. It's a little tricky to roll this dough. So if you're finding it hard to roll it over the board, you can roll it over a dusted sheet of butter paper or plastic sheet. Let's add this to hot oil. Make sure the oil is piping hot. Fry it till you get a nice red color on it. In this way, let's make some more puris. Like I said, a wholesome meal to get through the fasting day. Do try this recipe at home, comment below and let me know how it turned out. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.